Google's Bard can now access your personal information if you let it. A new feature in Bard called Extensions will allow Google Bard to interact with your personal information. But in order to do that, you need to turn it on. Let's take a closer look at that new feature. You'll notice the new feature here called Extensions. Select it, and once that's open, you'll notice that Bard Extensions help you bring it all together. It allows Bard to do search and gather information from within your personal information, like Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, Google Workspace, that's the big one, and YouTube. I personally have allowed it to access Google Flights, Hotel, Maps, and YouTube. I have decided not to allow it access to Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Docs. Again, you choose what you like to have information gathered from to make your inquiries and interaction with Bard more personal, and that's a personal choice. You know what mine is. You may decide to turn all of these off. Again, this is entirely up to you, but you should know that there is now a feature in Bard that can share your personal information and make it part of the information that Bard can help you with. So it's a two-way street. Bard can be helpful to help you with flights, hotels, maps, YouTube, and your Gmail, your Docs, and your Drive. If you're comfortable with that, I have made my decision. It is now up to you to decide what you want to do and how you want to control what information Bard has access to. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. And thanks for watching and listening.